Hi guys, if you happen to just be browsing and you run into my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all FK gang, welcome back. Alright, today I'm going to be making a delicious silken tofu smoothie. Here are my ingredients for today. My silken tofu, orange juice, banana, and some berries with a dash of honey is optional, alright? So let's get the ball rolling. So guys, recipe will be in the description box below. So here I have my banana already in my blender. I just put in my tofu. To this I'm gonna add some frozen berries and some OJ with some honey. Okay guys, here is a delicious smoothie coming from Fergie's Kitchen. This is my silken tofu berry smoothie. I hope you guys enjoy because it is just delicious. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye bye.